Hello students, I am your Smita ma'am here with Standard 5 Literature. Students, check out your literature book, Chapter 2. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore. Who doesn't shut the door? Students, Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore is a poem about a boy named Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore who has a bad habit of leaving the door open. Let's read the poem. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, no doubt you have heard the name before, was a boy who never would shut a door. The wind might whistle, the wind might roar, and teeth be aching and throats be sore, but still he never would shut the door. Whistle, a clear high-pitched sound made by forcing breath through a small hole between partly closed lips or between one's teeth, and aching, having an ache in a part of one's body. His father would beg, his mother implore, Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, we really do wish you would shut their door. Implore means beg, appeal to. Their hands they wrung, their hair they tore, but Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore was deaf as the boy out at the door. Wrung, held tightly and twisted in distress. Boy, an object that floats on the sea to mark an area. Students, turn the page. When he walked forth, the flocks would roar, Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore, why don't you think to shut the door? They rigged up a shutter with sail and oar, and threatened to pack off Gustavus Gore on a voyage of penance to Singapore. Here, rigged up. Here made something using objects laying around. Shutter, a large boat. Penance, punishment. And oar, a pole with a flat blade used to row or steer a boat through the water. But he begged for mercy and said, no more, pray do not send me to Singapore on a shutter, and then I will shut the door. You will, said his parents, then keep on shore, but mind you do, for the plague is sore. Of a fellow that never will shut the door. Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore. Keep on shore here, stay true to your word, and plague is sore, a rumor that is spreading quickly like a deadly disease. Students, now I will explain you the summary of this poem and you listen to me. The poem Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore has been written by David Rance. The poem is about a boy who never does the work assigned to him. The boy named Godfrey Gordon Gustavus Gore never shuts the door. His father and mother would plead, request, and order him to shut the door, but he would always keep it open. It was only when his parents decided to give him the punishment of sending him to Singapore that he says that he would shut their door from time onwards. In a broader perspective, the poem focuses much about human nature. As humans, we always delay and do not give importance to certain things. At a time when punishments and penance come to our way, we start to acknowledge the work and starts to do it. Okay, students, this is the summary of this poem, and you write down the word meanings and learn it. Thank you.